Example 1. What is the axis of symmetry? Symmetry means where I can split it in half and have it be equal on both sides. So our axis of symmetry goes right through our vertex, and it's going to be x equals, and the value of x there is 2. So we have x equals 2 for our axis of symmetry. The next point they asked us about is the maximum or the minimum. On this graph, we have a minimum. That's because it's the lowest point. That vertex is located at the point 2. Notice how that's the same value as our axis of symmetry for x. And it's down 1, 2, 3, 4. So our minimum is at 2, -4. The next thing we're going to look at is the coordinate of the x-intercepts. X-intercepts is where the graph crosses the x-axis. They cross here at -2, 0, and they cross at +6, 0. Notice how on an x-intercept, it's always x value and 0 for the y. Next, we're going to take a look at our y-intercept. That's where the graph crosses our y-axis. It crosses one time, so there's only one value. It's going to be 0 for the x because it's a y-intercept, and -2 for my y. Now we're going to take a look at whether or not this increases or decreases for ray A. Ray A is going to be the first ray that we see. When we read this like a book, from left to right, we are going down. So that is going to be decreasing. But ray B, when I end up at ray B, which is my second part, the second half, I am now going up. So ray B is going to be increasing. And there are the key features of our absolute value graph.